So, after spending 2 weeks in Cork, we headed to my home county, Clare, to show off some of my favourite places, starting with Mullaghmore in the Burren. It started raining as soon as we arrived, of course, so we decided to take shelter in the car until it inevitably cleared, and then it was time to hike. I've done this trail many times. It's a family favourite, and so it was nice to show the visitors. The Burren is an interesting place with a very unique ground consisting of cliffs, the rock, and grikes, the spaces between the rock. While it is an incredibly impressive landscape, it's a pity that you don't have many opportunities to take in the view, because you have to keep your head down and on your feet at all times while walking, if you don't want to twist an ankle. We made it to the top, soaked in the scenery, and started to head back down the other side of the mountain. We captured what we could with our cameras and zoom lenses, and Mom reminded us of how simple it used to be in the old days.
So in the old days, John, if you were going on holidays, you'd have a roll of film with 24.
But in modern times, we have access to ridiculous technology that captures a place we thought we knew so well from an entirely new angle as we chatter on obliviously below. Another day, we headed to the Hinch for some surfing. Afterwards, we had a dirty snack from the chipper and a surprisingly delicious hot chocolate from a Centre machine, and we sat up at the viewpoint to check out the competition.
Sure. I see regret in your eyes. Why? Okay, better?
Yeah.
No regret?
No.
Careful, I drink it. You sure?
Yeah.
Et non, on ne jette pas les papiers dans la nature comme ça, parce que la nature elle est belle. Regardez comme c'est beau. Vous voyez? Il y a des connards qui jettent des trucs comme ça en carton, en plastique. Et après les baleines elles meurent.
Wow, it's so fucking pretty. Oh.
Ooh, wow.
There was one moment when I was underwater and it was just orange. It was so bright orange. Oh yeah, I have it! Yay! Oh fuck, it's too windy. It's too windy. What did you do?
An extra zoom.
Oh no! Stop!
This is people over there?
Where?
Or just birds?
I want to watch Harry Potter.
Another day, we went back to the Burren to see the dolmen. The dolmen is a megalithic tomb, and this one is called Polnabron, which means hole of sorrow. And it dates back to the Neolithic period. And if you go in summer, you'll see the landscape around it consisting of flowers filling up the green spaces between the limestone rocks. Of course, we couldn't skip my all-time favourite place. The spot I want my ashes to be scattered when my soul one day leaves this body, the cliffs of Moher. I had taken a lot of videos with my normal camera, but honestly, only the zoom lens can capture the insane beauty of the movement of the waves against the cliffs. So, sorry for the shakiness, but I could watch this all day. planning to head back to the burn for the Loch of Valla walk. What I love about this is that the scenery changed a lot and there's so much to see along the way. Like this big glacial rock, this holy well that is said to cure diabetes, which is accompanied by a hazel tree where people tie cloths and ribbons. There are these random stone towers. And of course there's a lot of wildlife too. It's full of flowers and insects and cows and goats. The rain was, as to be expected in Ireland, quite changeable, but it mostly stayed dry. Of course, me and Marco were very slow as usual, stopping constantly to take pictures and videos.
Bon, bah, je crois que je vais sortir la caméra.
Yeah.
On n'arrivera jamais à l'avant.
And yes, again, we have the drone. The walk was pretty tiring though after an action-packed few days. We had a nice rest towards the end of the walk by a lake where we did some cow watching and finished up with a little meditation. And we got the most wonderful surprise when heading back to the car to see these adorable little goats. When we weren't out exploring the wild landscapes of County Clare, we hung out around the house and the town.
Une vidéo?
Yeah.
Alors, au menu ce soir, galette bretonne. Est-ce que la Bretagne, qu'est-ce que c'est? C'est le pays celtique en France. Voilà, c'est ce qui nous reste de nos bases. Et voilà, et je pense que le meilleur accord qu'on puisse faire en fait entre la France et l'Irlande, c'est peut-être la Bretagne. Alors voilà, du coup, ça va être petite galette salée, la complète, bien sûr, pour commencer. Donc avec une base œufs, jambon, fromage et quelques champignons et oignons bien entendu, et un peu de mâche par-dessus. Et à côté, quelque chose d'un peu plus sophistiqué, un peu plus travaillé. Du coup, on a une galette fondue de poireaux, chèvre, noix, saumon. Donc voilà, c'est la première fois que c'est une recette que faisait ma grand-mère chaque été. Et voilà, alors bien sûr, galette maison, hein, parce que ici c'est la Bretagne. Donc voilà, et on fait des choses comme à l'ancienne. Voilà, donc si on commence le fondue de poireaux, pour l'instant on fait seulement réduire. Malheureusement avec la vidéo on n'a pas l'odeur, mais on peut vous dire que ne vous inquiétez pas, ça suit. Hein. Voilà, alors technique. Hein. Hop, on y va, fine. On perd pas de temps. Aïe, le grumeau, on l'a vu, tout le monde l'a vu. Tu couperas ça au montage, John, hein, parce que je peux pas me montrer ça dans ma boutique. Oh là là. Coupe.
I want to watch Harry Potter. C'est pas mal. Oh, there's a worm hanging there. Marco, fuck off, you can't see you. Sorry, that was so harsh and aggressive, I'm sorry. Oh, he did something so cute. Oh, there's a bull. Oh, wow. Il a des muscles sur son visage. Oh yeah.
Allez, pour les 37 feet world speed. Play.
Someone choose.
In the other room. That's the principle of Wii U, no? I don't understand.
Yeah, you can go to the toilet.